can already see what I'm about to unbox. One Pure Mix Rubik's Cube. Looks really good, actually. This is a collection of speed Rubik's Cubes. We'll go and unbox that too. You got a 3x3, or no, actually a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. You got a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. You got a Pure Mix Rubik's Cube. These three are speed Rubik's Cubes. We're going to go in and unbox them. Start with the Pure Mix Cube. I chose to get the black version. There's either a black or white version, which I don't know what just fell. I think they're stickers, so I'll pick that up later. I'll pick that up. Oh yeah, it's instructions. These are stickered Rubik's Cubes, so I have to be very careful with them. We'll put that box out of the way, as well as this one. And this one. Put those out of the way. We got a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, which we can either get in the white or black version. I chose to get in black. Once again. All three of these do come in black, so... Or basically all four of them do come in black. Here's a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. There's the 3x3, and here's a 2x2. All these are stickered Rubik's Cubes. So if you get stickered Rubik's Cubes, make sure that you do not let the stickers get dirty. These are all of my Rubik's Cubes that I just unboxed. You got a Pure Mix Rubik's Cube, which this one looks different. This is the one that, I think this is the one that came, or, oh no, this is the one that came with these. This is the one that did come with in the other box. So, yeah. It does look pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. That's cool. We'll look at the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Do a first scramble. We're not going to do a scramble on the Pure Mix Rubik's Cubes because I got to keep them solved for what I'm doing. I'm not doing my fastest, so just keep that in mind. I can go way faster than this. And the way I'm solving it is the beginner's method. Okay. There's that one. We're going to scramble the 3x3 and do a solve on that. This is a pretty cool cube. I love this one. Like, you can do... It's really cool in the checkerboards, too. I love the checkerboards on this. But doing random scrambles, and we're going to use the beginner method to solve this, and I'm not going to go my fastest because I'm too tired to do it. So there's that. So I love the 3x3 Rubik's Cubes. I do have another version of one. It's an all white version, except it's what is it called? No, it's not actually white. It's all color. There's no black or whiteness on it. It's like all color. And I have the same form except in a 5x5, which I'll do another video on. Cubes are pretty fun. I like them because then... Oh, I messed up the cube. Well, either way, you get the point. So I was going... too fast, sorry. Well, I'm going to go ahead and just talk a little bit. So, with these Rubik's Cubes, it's like really cool puzzles. I love these type of cubes. Because then, people just get better at puzzles. Like, in general, sometimes they look it off of YouTube, which I did do that. Because, like, they don't know how to solve one of these, but it's still really fun to them. And they just look off of YouTube. But it's still sometimes even hard looking it up on YouTube. Like, sometimes I still had to memorize it. So, that's behind of me trying to solve one of these. The pyramid cubes, I'm going to have to help. I'm going to have to solve a little bit more because I have never played with one of those. Well, I actually have, but when I did, I messed it up for them and then they solved it. Or whoever I gave it to. But here are 2 pure mixed Rubik's Cubes, and another 3x3 and 2x2. I do have some form of 2x2 and 3x3. This one, the 3x3 I do have is a all color, nothing in it. This one I do have, it's made by Rubik's and it has a black trim, except I broke one of the corners off on accident doing it, and I never had any. The reason why I got 2 of them is because this one I got separate, and then this I got in a bulk of 1 and 1. As you can see in the box, bring it up closer. You can either get a black or white version. Same thing with this one, and this one would be pretty interesting to see in a white version, but I chose to get black. They do come with manuals, like different steps of solving a Rubik's Cube. They do come with manuals, like different steps, but except they only come in Chinese. Or at least I think they do. No, they come in, see, look. They do come with it. So, you can get stickers for these, which I might do that because these stickers will ruin eventually. Like, after playing with them, they'll start to fall apart. But, yeah. The top part do twist as well, which is really cool. I love them. Alright, so that was my video of Rubik's Cubes. I just got 4 of them. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please comment down below. As always, I will see you guys in another video. Expect new system test 1 with the fire alarm demo board someday. It's actually I'm not going to get too much in detail. But it's actually a fire and security demo. But either way, I do like these Rubik's Cubes. It's pretty well designed. So, yep. This one actually goes with this. This one I got separate. So, yep. Thank you for watching.